Hey guys, I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, I want to share this article with you. It's brought to you by bestmvno.com. So these guys do an amazing job bringing different prepaid news, and of course, this is a mainly Boost Mobile channel and prepaid channel, so it's pretty good to see some news. And I was kind of getting some information on this, but I think they do a really good job on this website, kind of bringing it out. So I kind of skimmed through it and kind of tell you what's up and give you my thoughts. This kind of stuff I like to do. So. It says June 1st is the last day you can sign up for Boost Mobile on Sprint. Yeah, did you guys even know you can still sign up on Sprint's network through Boost Mobile? Yeah, you still can. I know a lot of people say that, yeah, Sprint has shut down. Yeah, Sprint has shut down, like the stores and stuff, but the network is technically still up. T-Mobile's basically using, parts of the network to make their network a little bit better. But a lot of parts, Sprint still has better coverage than T-Mobile. Like here where I live, Sprint and T-Mobile don't get the best coverage, but Sprint definitely beats out T-Mobile here in my area. So like I said, it really depends. Like if you're in big areas like New York or Florida or something like that are the two big areas that, Sprint or Boost Mobile were really big at. So these are called legacy plans or old, people call them, what are they called? Grandfather plans. There we go. Legacy plans, but grandfather plans, same thing. So, but it's finally coming to an end. Yes, June 1st, guys. Not too about what two months from now, because it's about to be April. So about 2 months before this happens. So let's read up on it a little bit. So it says, according to the report from the firm Wave 7 Research, June 1st will be the last day new Boost Mobile customers, like I said, new Boost Mobile customers can activate on the Sprint network. After that date, existing customers will only be able to continue to use their current devices on their current plan on the Sprint network. So it says, existing customers will only be able to continue to use their current devices on their current plan on Sprint network. So new customers coming into Boost Mobile after June 1st will not be able to sign up on Sprint's network through Boost Mobile. And you might be saying, how do you do this? Like I said, we'll get to that part in just a little bit. Only existing customers will be able to basically keep their current plan on the Sprint network. So it says, if the Sprint network still provides the best coverage for you in your area, you may want to join Boost Mobile by June 1st. So in your current area, if you're thinking about switching to Boost Mobile and getting their deals and this and that, and Sprint is the best coverage in your area, then you probably want to switch over to Boost Mobile before June 1st. Of course, if not, after that, you won't be able to. Nobody will, only existing customers. I'm pretty sure people will probably start selling their plans on eBay or something like that for a gain. So we'll see how that goes. It says, I suspect similar deadlines will happen with Sprint MVNO. So, there's other carriers that use Sprint's network like Telemobile, which was previously a Sprint-only MVNO, has said that it plans to support the Sprint network at least until June of 2021. So that seems to be the same thing with Boost Mobile. However, Alvoy recently told that basically they will be able to access the network until the end of the year. We'll see how that goes. It says, also stating in this report, activations are only allowed on the Sprint network by exceptions only. Wow. So this will continue as long as Boost Mobile has legacy devices to sell. So legacy devices, you'll know that those are like the old phones that are not, enhanced network compatible or anything like that. So as long as Boost Mobile still has current stock of these phones, they can do these exceptions. And, because some phones only support the Sprint network, not the T-Mobile network. So it's only a small number of activations are said to be on Sprint. So it seems to be a lot of people don't really care too much, but there is that, minority or group of people that still want to get on the Sprint network. So small little niche group, that's what I meant, niche, not minority, but a niche market still wants to be on Sprint network. Like I said, it really depends if Sprint's better in your area or not. So remember, you have to sign up before June 1st. It says Boost Mobile does continue to highlight its Sprint-based plans on its website. However, with the exception of a Walmart exclusive plan for $35 a month with 6 gigs of high-speed data. All their Sprint-based plans mirror their T-Mobile expanded data network plans. Boost Legacy Sprint plans are no longer listed as being available to new customers. Wow. So like I said, you must sign up before June 1st if you still want to get a legacy phone and join Boost Mobile's Sprint network. And this says there is still bound to be some people, customers hurt with this. There is a lot of people that say that Sprint's network is still, like I said, better in their areas. And like I said, that has been proven to be a fact, at least here in my area. Like I said, yes, T-Mobile's internet is faster downloads and uploads, but their coverage seems to dwindle compared to Sprint, at least in my area. Sprint and T-Mobile don't have the best coverage, but it's definitely better to have a Sprint phone than a T-Mobile network because it does tend to work a little bit better in rural parts of my town. So it's really different. It says Boost Mobile previously abandoned their policies of not allowing customers to port back over to Sprint if they are unhappy with expanded network for that very reason, since Boost Mobile does not want to lose customers in those areas. And maybe these policies will change after June 1st. It says current customers on Boost Mobile with the Sprint network should go back and reread the first paragraph. Basically, the rest of it is just saying that, if you really do want to get on Sprint's network through Boost Mobile, you want to do it before June 1st, because after that, only existing customers can do that. Wow. So that's a lot of reading there, but like I said, I try to skim through it the best I can for you guys since I read it already. So what do you think? Do you still currently have a legacy phone with Boost Mobile and using Sprint's network, or have you got the expanded data network and use T-Mobile's network? So let me know in the comments below. Is Sprint better in your area, or is T-Mobile better? So let me know. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I am working on an unboxing pretty soon. It should be here by tomorrow. If not, Thursday? It should be here by tomorrow, if not Friday by the latest. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.